Why? What happened? Why? What happened? किन के भयो? Why? What happened? Why? What happened? किन के भयो? Don't act like you know nothing. Don't act like you know nothing. केही थाहा नभई जस्तो नाटक नगर. Don't act like you know nothing. What do you mean? हजुरले भन्न खोजेको के हो? What do you mean? What do you mean? हजुरले भन्न खोजेको के हो? Are you blaming me? तिमीले मलाई दोष दिँदैछौ. Are you blaming me? तिमीले मलाई दोष दिँदैछौ. Are you blaming me? Don't make things up. Don't make things up. कुरा नबनाऊ. Don't make things up. कुरा नबनाऊ. No need to hide anything. No need to hide anything. केही पनि लुकाउन आवश्यक छैन. No need to hide anything. केही पनि लुकाउन आवश्यक छैन. Tell me everything frankly. Tell me everything frankly. सबै कुरा मलाई खुलेर भन. Tell me everything frankly. Tell me everything frankly. सबै कुरा मलाई खुलेर भन. I will do whatever you say. I will do whatever you say. तिमीले जे भन्छौ म त्यही गर्नेछु. I will do whatever you say. तिमी जे भन्छौ म त्यही गर्छु. Say sorry. माफी माग. Say sorry. माफी माग. Please forgive me. मलाई माफ गरिदेऊ. Please forgive me. Please forgive me. मलाई माफ गरिदेऊ. I won't forgive you. म तिमीलाई माफ गर्दैन. I won't forgive you. म तिमीलाई माफ गर्दैन. I will not forgive you. म तिमीलाई माफ गर्ने छैन. I will not forgive you. I will not forgive you. म तिमीलाई माफ गर्ने छैन. You hurt me. You hurt me. तिमीले मलाई चोट पुर्यायो. You hurt me. You hurt me. तिमीले मलाई चोट पुर्यायो. तिमीले मलाई विश्वासघात गर्यौ. You betrayed me. You betrayed me. तिमीले मलाई विश्वासघात गर्यौ. You betrayed me. You took advantage of me. You took advantage of me. तिमीले मेरो फाइदा उठायौ. You took advantage of me. तिमीले मेरो फाइदा उठायौ. You cheated me. तिमीले मलाई ठग्यौ. You cheated me. You cheated me. तिमीले मलाई ठग्यौ. तिमीले गलत बाटो देखायौ. You misled me. You misled me. तिमीले मलाई गलत बाटो देखायौ. You misled me. This is unfair. You अनुचित छ. This is unfair. This is unfair. You अनुचित छ. This is unfair. This is not fair. This is not fair. You न्यायपूर्ण छैन. This is not fair. This is not fair. You न्यायपूर्ण छैन. I want justice. म न्याय चाहन्छु. I want justice. म न्याय चाहन्छु. I want justice. I have equal right. I have equal right. मेरो बराबरको हक छ. I have equal right. I have equal right. मेरो बराबरको अधिकार छ. I want justice. म न्याय चाहन्छु. I want justice. म न्याय चाहन्छु. I want justice. Fulfill your responsibility. Fulfill your responsibility. आफ्नो दायित्व पूरा गर. आफ्नो दायित्व पूरा गर. Fulfill your responsibility. Do your duty. आफ्नो कर्तव्य गर. Do your duty. Do your duty. आफ्नो कर्तव्य गर. I believe in action. म कर्ममा विश्वास गर्छु. I believe in action. I believe in action. म कर्ममा विश्वास गर्छु. Hope for the best. राम्रो परिणामको आशा गर. Hope for the best. Hope for the best. राम्रो परिणामको आशा गर. Don't be disheartened. Don't be disheartened. Don't be disheartened. हरेस नखाऊ. हरेस नखाऊ. Don't be disheartened. What's your goal in life? What is your goal in life? What's your goal in life? तिम्रो जीवनको लक्ष्य के हो? What's your goal in life? Focus on your goals. Focus on your goals. आफ्नो लक्ष्यमा ध्यान देऊ. Focus on your goals. आफ्नो लक्ष्यमा ध्यान देऊ. Start right away. Start right away तत्कालै सुरु गर start right away तत्कालै सुरु गर you can achieve anything तिमीले जे पनि हासिल गर्न सक्छौ you can achieve anything तिमीले जे पनि हासिल गर्न सक्छौ look at the examples उदाहरणहरु हेर look at the examples you will get inspiration तिमीले प्रेरणा पाउनेछौ you will get inspiration you will get inspiration तिमीले प्रेरणा पाउनेछौ learn from others अरूबाट सिक्नुस् learn from others अरूबाट सिक्नुस् decide today आज निर्णय लिऊ decide today आज निर्णय लिऊ decide what is right for you तिम्रो लागि सही के छ निश्चित गर decide what is right for you तिम्रो लागि सही के छ निश्चित गर don't depend on others अरूमा निर्भर नरहनुस् don't depend on others अरूमा निर्भर नरहनुस् be independent आत्मनिर्भर बन्नुस् be independent आत्मनिर्भर बन्नुस् मलाई तपाईको खाँचो छ मलाई तपाईको खाँचो छ I need you मलाई तपाईको खाँचो छ म कोसिस गर्नेछु I will try म कोसिस गर्नेछु म भोकाएको छु I am hungry म भोकाएको छु उनीहरू खेलिरहेका छन् they are playing उनीहरू खेलिरहेका छन् तिनीहरू विद्यार्थी हुन् they are students तिनीहरू विद्यार्थी हुन् they are students म खुसी छु I'm happy म खुसी छु I'm happy हामी खुसी छौं we are happy हामी खुसी छौं we are happy यो हामीलाई देऊ give it to us यो हामीलाई देऊ यो फेरि गर do it again यो फेरि गर फेरि आऊ कुनै पनि समयमा come again anytime कुनै पनि समयमा फेरि आऊ तपाईलाई कुनै समस्या छ do you have any problem तपाईलाई कुनै समस्या छ यदि समस्या छ भने मलाई भन tell me if there is a problem यदि समस्या छ भने मलाई भन त्यसो भए हामी के गर्ने then what shall we do त्यसो भए हामी के गर्ने उहाँले भनेको जस्तै गर do as he says उहाँले भनेको जस्तै गर त्यसपछि के भयो then what happened त्यसपछि हामी सिनेमा हल गयौं then we went to cinema hall त्यसपछि हामी सिनेमा हल गयौं मलाई सबै कुरा थाहा छैन I don't know everything मलाई सबै कुरा थाहा छैन I don't know everything मलाई अलिकति मात्र थाहा छ I only know a little bit मलाई अलिकति मात्र थाहा छ त्यसबेला हामी साना थियौं we were small then त्यसबेला हामी साना थियौं म तिमी भन्दा राम्रो छु I'm better than you म तिमी भन्दा राम्रो छु मसँग कुरा नगर don't talk to me मसँग कुरा नगर उसलाई नहेर don't look at her यहाँबाट जानुस् go away from here यो तपाईको लागि हो this is for you यो तपाईको लागि हो आफ्नो ख्याल राख्नुस् take care of yourself आफ्नो ख्याल राख्नुस् उहाँसँग पैसा थिएन. He had no money. उहाँसँग पैसा थिएन. He had no money. म तपाईसँग सहमत छु. I agree with you. I agree with you. म तपाईसँग सहमत छु. को आउँदैछ? Who is coming? को आउँदैछ? Who is coming? मलाई एउटा कुरा भन. Tell me one thing. Tell me one thing. मलाई एउटा कुरा भन. उसले मलाई बोलायो. He called me. He called me. उसले मलाई बोलायो. मलाई पुरा विश्वास छैन. I am not sure. I am not sure. मलाई पुरा विश्वास छैन. I am not sure. जाऊ त्यहाँ जाऊ. Let's go dear. Let's go dear. जाऊ त्यहाँ जाऊ. Mind नगर्नु. Don't mind. Mind नगर्नु. Don't mind. अनुहार नबनाउनुस्. Don't make faces. अनुहार नबनाउनुस्. Don't make faces. मलाई यसको आवश्यकता छैन. I don't need it. मलाई यसको आवश्यकता छैन. I don't need it. ऊ धेरै अल्छी छ. He is very lazy. ऊ धेरै अल्छी छ. He is very lazy. तपाईँ कहाँ हुनुहुन्छ? Where are you? तपाईँ कहाँ हुनुहुन्छ? Where are you? म आफै जान सक्छु. I can go myself. म आफै जान सक्छु. I can go myself. अन्त कतै जाऊ. Go somewhere else. Go somewhere else. अन्त कतै जाऊ. केही खानुस्. Eat something. केही खानुस्. Eat something. किन खाने? Why to eat? किन खाने? Why to eat? कोही पनि आउनु भएन. Nobody came. Nobody came. कोही पनि आउनु भएन. मलाई पछ्याउनुस्. Follow me. मलाई पछ्याउनुस्. Follow me. तपाईले यो गर्नुपर्छ. तपाईले यो गर्नुपर्छ. You should do this. You should do this. तपाईले यो गर्नुपर्छ. तपाईको बानी राम्रो छैन. Your habits are not good. Your habits are not good. तपाईको राम्रो बानी छैन. तपाईको बानी सुधार्नुस्. तपाईको बानी सुधार्नुस्. Change your habit. Change your habit. तपाईको बानी सुधार्नुस्.